Hello guys, welcome back to Timeline and History with me Shraddha. We are already in the middle of the week, hopefully with happy faces. So let's quickly together move towards the history of 9 December. Let's together know what such significant happened on 9 December that it made its record in the pages of history. So have you all heard about the country Somalia? If not, let me tell you, Somalia is a beautiful country bordered by Ethiopia, Kenya and Africa. Now it is known for its beautiful islands. It has the most biggest coastal line. It also has a semi-desert. It also has one of the highest peaks is present in Somalia. But as rightly said, every beauty has a black spot. Such is the history of Somalia. Following centuries of colonial rule by countries like Portugal, British and Italy, Mogadishu became the capital of independent Somalia in the year 1960. But this country could never be in peace. The drought in mid-70s, unsuccessful rebellion by the people in Somalia for food and shelter, later on contributing to around 3 lakh homeless people in the country. Now because of all this situation, the leader of Somalia, Mohamed Barre, fled the country in January, and after that for over 23 months there was increased rival between different clans and there were increased war in Somalia. Now this wars led to such a severe devastation in country that it killed almost 50,000 civilians and 3 lakh people were killed in or died because of starvation. Such a sad thing to know that people are dying without food, people are homeless, and that without a leader the country has fallen apart completely. Looking at all this situation in Somalia, it was on this day, that is on 9th December in the year 1992, the United States then President George W. Bush decided to send US officials or US Marines to Mogadishu to help the country or country people. Now along with United States, it was also United Nations international aid workers who were helping the country to restore or redistribute the food, at least to stop the killing of people due to starvation. Now this operation entirely was known as Operation Restore Hope. The operation's name itself states that the country or United Nations or United States Marine officers together were trying to restore hope in Somalia. But let me tell you guys, even this operation was not successful. The different clans which were fighting started their anger or started throwing their fights towards the international aid workers and also the United Nations officials. After a few attempts of trying to help Somalia or trying to help Mogadishu, these clans started attacking the United States Army. After a few deaths of United States officials, this United Nations and United States together decided to pull back the help, and the help was again stopped for Somalia. So this was the significance or first significance of 9th December. Now the second significance of today's date comes all the way from World War I. Now it is said that it was on this date, that is on 9th December in the year 1917, when the holy city of Jerusalem surrendered to the British troops. These British troops were led by General Edmund Allenby. Now it is said that General Edmund Allenby entered the holy city on his foot, walking with his troops to give respect or in the respect of the holiness of Jerusalem. Now it was such a huge celebration for Britishers that it was celebrated by ringing bells in the church. This was the second significance of today's date, 9th December. Post knowing the two significances of today's date, let's move towards our fun section. So 9th December is internationally celebrated as Pastry Day. Wow, it seems like I'm giving you daily good reasons to enjoy your day, right? So this day is celebrated as Pastry Day. Along with Pastry Day, this day, now this is important guys, this day is observed as Anti-Corruption Day. Now this day is internationally observed as Anti-Corruption Day to raise voice against and the role in combating corruption. Now, I would say personally, my lines would be I would say we can always choose right instead of choosing what is convenient. I hope you all agree with me. If you agree, please mention the same in comment box. Also, I'm sorry for all the disturbances you hear. The location is like that and vehicles are passing by, so you might get some background noise, but I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. See you tomorrow with more interesting facts. Until then, take care and bye bye.